Hello, this is Boyce with 5280 Software LLC, and today I'm going to talk about 3 ways to boost your domain authority in 2020. So what is domain authority? Websites that are optimized for browsers that use the Google search engine go through a search engine results page ranking process. This is also known as SERPs, search engine results pages. Getting a higher ranking on search engines means that your website will appear at the top of the results page. The higher the score your site gets, the higher your odds of attracting organic traffic and your domain showing up at the top of Google SERPs. So what are some ways that you can boost your domain authority? The first way you can boost your domain authority in 2020 is optimizing your on-page content. Make sure your site is optimized for SEO with H1 tags, alt tags for images, and using SEO-friendly content. Make sure your internal linking structure is also set up properly. Make sure it's easy to navigate back to the home page, for example. This is just one example. So you want to make sure your site structure is easy to navigate. The second way you can boost your domain authority in 2020 is improve off-page SEO. So off-page work should include connecting and building links with websites that have high DA. So make sure you do your research and make sure the sites you're trying to link to have a high search volume on Google. There's a lot of tools you can use to do this. Moz, M-O-Z is a good one, and another great one is Neil Patel's site, Uber Suggest. I've talked about this in the past. It's a really great site at a really good price point. The third way you can boost your domain authority in 2020 is get quality inbound links. So by building natural links, by posting content and infographics that other website owners or bloggers find useful, then they'll link back to your website for that content. You can also use guest posts from bloggers and other influencers in your space. So these third-party guest posts are really helpful as well. You can also remove malicious or bad links from questionable websites. So once again, use tools like Uber Suggest and Moz to see what sites are actually quality sites before you're trying to get inbound links for them. If you need help building your website, updating your website, or you need help with SEO services, feel free to reach out to 5280software.net or give us a call at 888-510-0833. Thank you.